As the temperature drops, our immune systems need extra support to avoid illnesses like the common cold and flu. One delicious and convenient way to boost your immune system is immune-boosting winter smoothies. Here, we'll explore the top immune-boosting smoothies, their benefits and best ways to make these smoothies. Why smoothies are perfect for winter immunity. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to get a boost of immune-boosting nutrients. During winter, our bodies need extra nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and antioxidants to fight off infections and keep our energy levels up. By combining fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and superfoods, you can create a delicious drink that's not only satisfying but also packed with immune-boosting benefits. Plus, smoothies are quick to make, easy to digest. Immune-boosting winter smoothie recipes. Here are delicious and healthy winter smoothie recipes to get you started. Citrus Immunity Blast. 1 orange, peeled. 1/2 grapefruit, peeled. 1/2 lemon, juiced. 1-inch piece of ginger. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup water or coconut water. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Enjoy this tangy, vitamin C-packed smoothie to kickstart your day. Ginger Turmeric Immunity Boost. 1 cup frozen pineapple chunks. 1/2 cup coconut water. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon honey. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and grated. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Ice cubes, optional. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. This smoothie can help reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. Berry Green Powerhouse. 1 cup spinach. 1/2 cup frozen mixed berries. 1/2 banana. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 teaspoon manuka honey. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until creamy. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants and fiber. Cranberry Orange Immunity Boost. 1 cup frozen cranberries. 1/2 cup freshly squeezed orange juice. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger. Ice cubes, optional. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. This smoothie is packed with vitamin C and can help boost the immune system. Golden Turmeric Milk. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 banana, frozen for creaminess. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Blend until creamy and golden. This anti-inflammatory smoothie is perfect for soothing winter aches. Elderberry Immunity Boost. 1 cup frozen elderberries. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup honey. 1/2 cup apple juice. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Ice cubes, optional. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants and immune-boosting compounds. Green Tea and Honey Immunity Boost. 1 cup brewed green tea, cooled. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/2 cup frozen spinach. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Ice cubes, optional. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. This smoothie can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Spiced Apple Delight. 1 cup frozen apple chunks. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Berry Bliss. 1 cup frozen mixed berries. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Tips for the perfect winter smoothie. Experiment with different combinations of fruits, veggies, and spices. Add protein powder to keep you full and energized. Use different types of milk or yogurt, such as almond milk, coconut milk, or soy yogurt, to change the flavor and texture of your smoothies. Use frozen ingredients, which makes your smoothie colder but also give it a thicker, creamier texture. Conclusion. Winter smoothies are a delicious and nutritious way to boost your immune system and support overall health during the cold winter months. With these 5 delicious and healthy winter smoothie recipes and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating your own immune-boosting winter smoothies.